Okay, everybody. So I find my younger self in my brother's phone. So let's get started.
Hi guys! My channel. Today we're at Pansada. Pansada what?
Bagong Bayan.
Banggubayang.
Sultan Kudarat.
Tangkudarat.
So what? What do you think about the place?
So I'll show you the place.
Okay.
Come down here, vlog.
Okay.
So this is the place.
Okay. And then, what can you say about the place? Is it beautiful here?
Yes.
We are surrounded by mountains.
Mountains.
And
So
people.
I'm gonna show you here.
Wait lang.
Come
And dumb people.
on, vlog. Vlog. OMG, vlog.
Sorry, this is cheap. Okay, then.
Vloggy, come on.
They have what? I don't know.
Maybe someone left,
Yeah.
but no worries, don't find it. So, this is where the place where we sat down,
Okay.
and then,
Wait.
then,
So how many years?
sure.
Okay, I will picture you. Okay, I will picture you. Sit down.
No.
I will picture you. Okay.
Oh, it was 3 years ago. So,
Huh? Okay, come on. Hindi na.
okay, so the video here in the phone, this phone is almost done. So, I